Practicing good maintenance is the best way to always have good running two-stroke equipment, such as a blower, chainsaw, or trimmer. One of the most important maintenance items is regular cleaning of the spark arrestor. Spark arrestors serve an important purpose of limiting the amount of sparks which leave the muffler of your machine. This can prevent a potential fire or personal injury. A clogged spark arrestor can also cause a machine to run poorly, or even not at all. Cleaning the spark arrestor on most machines is a simple process. In this video, we will use a blower, which is only complicated by having to remove the rear cover. Once the cover is off, we can access the exhaust port. The spark arrestor is a simple screen that will be behind this port. On some machines, it will be a flat screen. On this machine, it is a closed tube screen. Simply remove the two screws and remove the screen. The spark arrestor on this machine is already pretty clean, but you may find them totally blocked with carbon. There are two ways to clean them. What I find easiest is to burn the carbon off. Using a common propane or MAP gas torch, heat the screen until it glows red and then instantly remove the heat. It is important not to overheat the screen as it could destroy it. Just heat it up until it turns red and remove the heat and let it cool naturally. This does the best job of removing the carbon quickly. Another method that is a bit more time consuming is to soak it in a solvent like brake cleaner. You may have to use a brush to dislodge some of the buildup, but this method can be just as effective as using a torch. After cleaning and allowing the part to cool down, reinstallation is just a reverse of the removal. So thanks for watching, and visit us at hipastore.com for parts and accessories for all your small machines, including our handy all-in-one maintenance and repair kits.